Welcome to Lakespur at Wellen Park, a Pulte homes community. We're building more than houses. We're building lives, stories, and quality homes right here in Wellen Park. Let's hear from some Pulte homebuyers from right here in Lakespur.
I chose Pulte for the build quality, mainly the windows. It's important to us, like safety matters. Everything that was presented to us in paperwork was just exactly as it was said to us verbally, which was nice.
My husband got transferred to Venice, Florida, and we knew we wanted a family-friendly community. We rented on Luminous and fell in love with the property on Moonflower right by the lake. And then within 30 days, I was in the design office designing my brand new home. It was easier than buying a car. You know how they make you sit at the lot? I literally walked in her office and was out in an hour.
We talked about different options and what it looked like, and everything was very straightforward. It was just after all the hurricanes too. So we were like, you know what? We're going with the right windows, we're going with the right build, and that was really what kind of sealed the deal for us.
I love my porch. We have the most beautiful view of the walking path and the lake. So I would say that's the best. The sunsets are amazing here in Lakespur, and then we get rainbows.
I love my doors that open up to my lanai. I love looking out at the lake and watching all the different nature and birds, and I really like the trail and walking the trail, and I just found a nice sense of community here. It's been good.
Just that old school neighborhood feel of Wellen Park, that you know you can go next door and get your cup of sugar or your egg that you're missing, or you know someone's watching your home when you're not there. I think that's, to me, what is most valuable about this neighborhood.